guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Seher and कैसे हो आप सब लोग. I just created reverse cat eyeliner look for you guys. तो इससे पहले वीडियो जा चुका है, आप लोगों ने अभी तक नहीं देखा तो जाके जरूर देखिएगा एंड लेट मी नो आपको कैसा लगा. ये मैंने भी फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई करा है, अभी बहुत ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है राइट, सो आई जस्ट ट्राइड इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. बट कुछ तो मिसिंग है राइट. क्या मिसिंग है मैं बताती हूँ. आई हैवंट अप्लाइड एनी ब्लश, आई हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग. सो द रीजन व्हाई आई हैवंट डन इज बिकॉज आई हैव टू ऑफ दीज liquid blushes from Kiss Beauty. So liquid blushes are very in right now, and liquid blushes, liquid highlighters, cream highlighters, jelly highlighters, and all of these are very in trend right now, and I jumped the bandwagon too. So these are available on Cuffs and Lashes, and I purchased this from another site. I will link the site down in the description box so you can check it out. Cuffs and Lashes पे मुझे ये around 240 something का पड़ रहा था, and I checked another website जहाँ पे ये around 150 का कुछ पड़ रहा था, तो मैंने 150 का ले लिया. I tried to save some money for me. Why not? Everybody loves some bargain deals, right? And I'm the same person. So I purchased two of these from Kiss Beauty. I don't know much about this brand. I've heard about this brand here and there, but I don't know much. And they come in a very affordable category. So I decided I will buy it. Again, I was looking for cream blushes, liquid blushes, tinted lippies, and all of that. So tabhi meko ye bhi, these also came in one video. I forgot the YouTuber's name. उसके वीडियो में मैंने ये वाले ब्लशेस स्पेसिफिकली देखे थे, because I was researching for Alia by Farhad's क्रीम ब्लशेस राइट. दीज ब्लशेस जो मैंने अभी थोड़े देर पहले वीडियो में डाले हैं, तो आई वाज सर्चिंग फॉर हाउ गुड ऑफ अ ब्रांड दिस इज, एंड that's when one video came in where she reviewed this, but she also reviewed this. So I was really excited and I wanted to try these out, give you my 2 cents about how these blushes are. तो अगर मेरा वीडियो जिसमें मैंने क्रीम ब्लशेस ट्राई किए हैं बाय आलिया बाय फरहद, वो अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी या फिर आई बटन पे दे दूंगी, आप जाके डेफिनेटली चेकआउट करना. और जो मैंने अभी लिप्स पे लगाया है इज फ्रॉम द सेम brand. This from the same brand. It's my favorite, tinted mocha. मैंने इसको इतना यूज किया है अभी तक, एंड इतना यूज करने के बाद भी थोड़ा सा भी हिला नहीं है. So this is very beautiful, you guys. On the face, I don't know what is about the formula. On the face it becomes matte, and on the lips it gives a light sheen kind of a look on it. So I definitely love it. So I'm not going to talk about that today. Now we're going to talk about these blushes by Kiss Beauty, and I have in the shade 02, and the next one that I have is in the shade 04. This is how the packaging looks like. It looks like a nail paint, and it's so beautiful. These are completely matte kind of liquid blushes. nail polish जैसे है, applicator लगता है कि it is lipstick. It is a very beautiful coral kind of a shade, coral peach kind of a shade. Very good if you are traveling and you're on a vacation. Very beautiful to apply this on your face. It will look so beautiful. It's a very summery kind of a shade, and I really love it. I don't want to apply too much. First I will blend it with my hands to see how the formula looks like, whether it moves my foundation or not. So this is how a very light application looks like. Obviously you can build it up. I have no highlight or no contour, so I'm just applying it directly over the foundation so you guys get a clear idea of how it is. And oh my god, this is such a beautiful looking corally shade, and I'm really liking real life. This is enough if you are just going outside. This is just enough. Camera पे इतना capture नहीं कर रहा है, but for the sake of you guys, let's build it a little bit more. And can you see it? Isn't it such a beautiful shade of blush? मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. आप लोग कमेंट करके बताओ कि आप लोगों को कैसे लग रहा है. Yeah, you guys, it's damn pretty. It's really pretty. This was in the shade 02. लिखा है कि 2024 को एक्सपायर होगा और मैन्युफैक्चर 2019 को हुआ है. बस 5 years का शेल्फ लाइफ मिल रहा है, विच इज रियली गुड, क्योंकि बहुत क्वांटिटी है एंड इतना आपको यूज नहीं हो पाएगा. यू कैंट पॉसिबली फिनिश दिस बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ क्वांटिटी इन इट. But I'm loving it. Also, these are such multi-purpose liquid blushes, and cream blushes are really multi-purpose because आप अपने eyelid पे भी लगा सकते हो, lips पे भी लगा सकते हो. Although I'm not sure कि इसको lips पे लगा सकते हैं या नहीं, but cheeks पे तो definitely लगा ही सकते हो. तो yeah, that's the first shade. So the next shade that I have is 04. Now 04 looks like this. It is again in the coral side, but red, pink और coral तीनों का mix है ये वाला shade, and opens with smell. इसमें कुछ tangy सी smell आ रही. This is how that shade looks like. I feel it look bombdiggity.com on me. Let's try it on this side of the cheek. Okay, बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है. On this side, I will use this sponge. Since I used this over here, let me use this sponge. So yes, you guys, you need to be very careful because there is a lot of pigmentation with this. You will look a clown if you don't be very careful with it. See, it's a very beautiful shade. It looks so nice. It looks like as if you're blushing. Obviously, this is too much for me to apply on a daily basis, but so that the camera picks up, I applied a little bit more so you can actually see the color, and the color looks really bomb. I love it. That's how beautiful this is. Yep, I have blended it really well. This is 02, right? Where is the box? This is 02 and this is 04. Can you see? It is really pigmented. You have to be very careful, especially with this shade because it is hell pigmented. I have a lot of texture on my skin, तो मैं उतना नहीं लगा पाती हूँ. But for this cream blushes, it doesn't look cakey. It looks so nice. And look at this. Isn't it so beautiful? My face looks so healthy looking with these blushes, and I absolutely love it. It's a thumbs up from me to buy these shades. You will not regret it. It looks bombdiggity.com. So I have 2 cream blushes and 2 liquid blushes, and I am sorted because they will last me for a long time. But in case if I get something else that is very good and I feel like sharing it with you guys, I will definitely do that. But 10 on 10 for this. I think you guys need to pick it up. So what are you guys waiting? The links are down, so you go ahead and purchase them, and let me know your thoughts in the comment box as to how you like them. I am absolutely loving it. See you guys in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.